Hi, this is Danish. Please like and subscribe my channel. And today I will tell you that how to get the job offer from Canada. Basically, is a job offer is going on, which is on 20. The last date of submission is 24th January. Please follow my video and just open the Google and write Newfoundland Virtual Immigration Fair 2024. So I have already searched it, so I just click on it, and the first website you will found Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada 4.vfairs.ca. Just click on it, then you will find official website of this. Okay, so remember that always open the official website, and this only for those people those are living in Middle East or South Asia. So register yourself before 24th January 2024 6 p.m. GST. Might be you will get the job. So make your resume according to Canadian style. Just Google it, how to make resume Canadian style. Uploaded it. Don't make multiple pages resume. Only the one page is enough. Don't write your education if your resume get bigger. So my suggestion is that get your resume in the one page. If not possible, then 2 pages is maximum. Hope this will help you. Bye and have a nice day, and see you, Canada.